Hey guys, today we're going to go over the complete guide in costs for Amazon FBA fees in 2021. How does this affect you? You may need to recalculate some of your low profit margin products and set the correct mins to prevent yourself from losing money. We also show you some free tools and where to look in your Amazon Seller Central to double check your fees, and also what you can do if you're being overcharged for FBA fees because your products are wrongfully being measured by Amazon. The changes I'm mentioning have officially been updated on June 1st, 2021. Our team took information from Amazon Seller Central, our customer feedback, FB groups, and other channels to explain the fee changes and break down the new Amazon seller fees so that you can easily calculate how much you will need to pay to sell on Amazon in 2021. Let's get to business. Let's go over the summary of the fee changes. First, the FBA fulfillment fee increased 2 to 3% on average. Second, Amazon eliminated 4-ounce packaging weight for standard size and 1-pound packaging weight for oversized items. Third, there's no increase in storage rates. Fourth, the removal disposal fee and manual processing fees have increased. Fifth, there's no referral fee changes except for full-size appliances, personal computers, and veterinary diet food. Six, there are reductions for the return processing fee for customer return products in apparel and shoes categories. The return processing fees for watches, jewelry, luggage, handbags, and sunglasses have been eliminated. Seventh, other changes include the U.S. multi-channel fulfillment fee changes and the FBA Small and Light program fee changes. So what are the costs you need to pay to sell on Amazon? We got monthly subscription fees, referral fees, Amazon FBA fees, and other fees. There are two types of accounts: individual and professional selling plans. Let's compare the difference between the two of them. Individual selling plans are suitable for people selling fewer than 40 items per month. It's free, but sellers will pay a 99-cent selling fee for every item sold. Individual sellers have to upload listings manually, not available for listing placement in the buy box, offering gift wrapping and also restricted to selling these categories. On the other hand, a professional selling plan works best for sellers selling more than 40 items per month. Professional sellers have access to selling to users outside the US, customize their shipping rates, bulk upload, and more. The plan costs $39.99 per month. Next, let's go to the referral fees. Amazon charges all sellers referral fees for each item sold. Referral fees are either a percentage of the product's selling price, mostly ranging from 8% to 15%, depending on the product category, or a minimum referral fee of 30 cents. Amazon will charge whichever of these two is greater. The changes for this update are these three product categories. It's not all that bad: full-size appliances, personal computers, veterinary diets. Full-size appliances fees have lowered. Amazon will split appliances into full-size and compact categories and lower the fee for full-size appliances to 8% while keeping the fee for compact category unchanged. Personal computers fees have increased. Amazon will raise the referral fee for the personal computers category from 6% to 8% to align with the other electronic device categories. Veterinary diets referral fees have increased as well. Amazon will implement a supplemental 7% fee increase in the new veterinary diets pet food category, bringing the new referral fees to 22%. This fee increase covers the cost of maintaining the veterinarian confirmation process for veterinary diets. The referral fee percentage will remain at 15% for all other pet products. Then we got the updated Amazon FBA fees. These are the order fulfillment fees. Order fulfillment fees. Sellers can fulfill their orders, including shipping, handling, storage, customer service, and products returns by themselves, otherwise known as fulfillment by merchant, FBM. Or they can pay Amazon to store it in their inventory in Amazon's fulfillment centers, fulfill their orders, handle customer cares and returns, fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Amazon charges an order fulfillment fee per unit to fulfill items, and the fee varies depending on the item's category, size, and weight. Starting June 1st, 2021, Amazon increased the FBA order fulfillment fee and eliminated 4-ounce packaging weight for standard size and 1-pound packaging weight for oversized items. Here's the comparison of before and after the change based on the new tier sizes. The main difference would be if you got small standard products with low margins, as small standard Amazon FBA fees have increased from a range of 20 cents to almost 70 cents. Here are a couple of examples for your reference. So let's say you're selling mobile device cases and the unit weight is 2.88 ounces. The shipping weight is also 2.88 ounce. Let's make that assumption. So your cost for the small standard size 6 ounce or less before June 1st, 2021, it was $2.50 for the fulfillment fee per unit. After June 1st, 2021, it's going to be $2.70. So your cost has increased by 20 cents. So you need to take that into factor when you are selling your device case or an item that is 6 ounce or less. Moving on, you got your monthly inventory storage fees. Monthly storage fees are calculated on daily average volume and cubic feet for standard size and oversized items and typically incurred between the 7th and 15th day of the month. Then you got your long-term storage fees. Amazon performs inventory cleanups on the 15th of each month. In addition to the monthly storage fees, inventory that has been in fulfillment center for more than 365 days will be charged a monthly long-term storage fee of $6.90 per cubic foot or 15 cents per unit, whichever is greater. Sellers might not see the actual charge in their seller account until the 18th to 22nd of the month. Let's move on to the last part of other fees. We got several fees within the other fees. These are closing fees, FBA Return Processing Fees, Refund and Administration Fees, FBA Small and Light Program Fees, U.S. Multi-Channel Fulfillment Fees, FBA Manual Processing Fees. Don't worry, these fees only apply to specific categories. I will go into each. There's a closing fee of $1.80 per sold item under media categories. That's books, DVDs, music, software, and computer video games, video game consoles, and video game accessories. Then there's a FBA Returns Processing Fee. The FBA Returns Processing Fees applies to customer return products sold on Amazon in which certain categories for which Amazon offers free return shipping. The charge rate is based on the product size and shipping weight. This year, Amazon reduced return processing fees for apparel and shoe categories and eliminated the fees for items returned in watches, jewelry, luggage, handbags, and sunglasses. So if you're selling in these product categories, your costs got lower. Then you got your refund administration fees. The fee is either $5 or 20% of the refunded charge, whichever is less, and shipping and gift wrap are included in the refund administration fee calculations. Then there are weight increase for FBA Small and Light Program Fees. Starting June 1st, 2021, Amazon increased the weight limit for FBA Small and Light from 10 to 12 ounces. The size limit of the longest side from 16 to 18 inches, the medium side from 9 to 14 inches, and the shortest side from 4 to 8 inches. The multi-channel fulfillment fees are also affected as the FBA fulfillment fee increased. Sellers who use MCF can go to 2021 U.S. multi-channel fulfillment fee changes for more information. Next, there are increases in FBA order removal disposal fees. FBA removal fees are charged per item when sellers request that Amazon remove or dispose of items in their FBA inventory. The adjusted removal and disposal fees shown below take effect on June 1st. Sometimes it's better to quickly sell off your product, so it's good to use our intense competition AI repricer rule to help you liquidate those products that are not selling. Finally, there's the FBA Manual Processing Fee. This has also been increased. Make sure to provide your box content information when packaging, otherwise your fees will increase as well. So how are Amazon fees calculated? Amazon seller fees are confusing due to the complex fee structures, so sellers have to understand the fees associated with selling on Amazon to estimate the full costs and potential profits. Here are some calculators and tools that can make this a lot easier for you. First, there's Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator. The Revenue Calculator is a preview tool that allows sellers to compare revenue estimates for products based on the fulfillment channel used. Sellers could easily see which fees apply to each fulfillment option and enter sales volume estimates to calculate total proceeds as well as per unit sold estimates. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use this tool. This is available in your Amazon Seller Central. The second tool I recommend you is the BQool Price Profit Calculator. BQool Price Profit Calculator is another great tool that is easier for repricing users to calculate straight out for all the costs included in the sales price to get a close estimation of potential profit and ROI. If you haven't tried it yet, check out our Price Profit Calculator, which we offer for free with our repricing software. Are Amazon FBA fees estimates accurate? Since the FBA fees update on June 1st, many Amazon sellers are reporting different Amazon FBA fees shown on the Amazon Revenue Calculator and Seller Central FBA fees estimates. Because the FBA fees increased in this recent event, it is possible to believe that Amazon is still working on updating the fees estimated on the Amazon Revenue Calculator. Some sellers have also reported that some third-party Amazon seller tools are also reporting issues with FBA fees being incorrect. Please keep in mind that if you ever run into these issues, you need to ensure that you are using a third-party software that is approved by Amazon and is a member of the exclusive Amazon MWS Developer Council, so your tool will not run into similar problems like incorrect FBA fees because it doesn't upgrade when Amazon upgrades. So you've been overcharged by Amazon with overcharging Amazon FBA fees. What do you do now? You may be overcharged for Amazon FBA fees because your products are wrongfully measured by Amazon after sending your inventory to an FBA warehouse. In this case, here's the easiest way to report the problem. So first go to Check Manage Inventory section in the Seller Central under Inventory. Then find the product you think is overcharged by Amazon and you would see the estimated fee per unit sold column. Click the drop-down menu to see all the fees you're being charged. To find out the dimensions and sizing tier your product falls under, go to Reports, Fulfillment. On the left-hand side, go to the Payment section and click on Fee Preview. Click the Requests.csv download button for the report. In the spreadsheet, you will see the dimensions of your product, the sizing tier your product falls under, and the fees you're being charged. Measure your product again and compare it to the dimensions that Amazon has listed. If the measurement is incorrect, you need to request a QB scan, which is a process that Amazon uses to recheck the dimensions and weight of an item. Now let's get to the cream of the crop, and this is what you want to know. How to request Amazon to do a size check and reimburse you for those extra fees you've been charged. So this is the steps. Listen carefully. Click on Help in the top right corner in Seller Central, and you will see Need More Help under the Recommended for You section. Click Get Support, and then Selling on Amazon. Skip Describe Your Issue box, but instead click on Or Browse for your issue in the menu. Next, click Fulfillment by Amazon and then Investigate Other FBA Issues. You will then select Confirm Request Reimbursement for Product Weights and Dimensions. Enter in your FN SKU or ASIN and select your issue, Request Product Remeasurement or Order Fees Reimbursement and click Next. Then request measurement. The remeasurement process may take a few days to do. Amazon may come back with a new FBA fees based on the results of remeasurement, which would be more or less. If it turns out that your product was not measured correctly, Amazon will automatically reimburse you for the overcharges. No one wants to see their business costs pile up and up and up with an increase of Amazon FBA fees. However, if you're using an Amazon-approved repricer like BQool that is an exclusive member of the Amazon MWS Developer Council, you can secure the Amazon buy box with ease for more profits and maintain your account and personal security, and know that your third-party tool will be updated along with Amazon. If you need more support, click on the live chat or send us an email to support@BQool.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful tips to use our tools. Also, join our Facebook group to have a seller community to support you.